I was teaching a good friend how to pump foil, but at that time the silver plana water level was quite low, so it was very difficult to hold the board and run with it on the dock.
Yeah.
And that's why she was a bit struggling, but I guess her next session will be even better. So if you want to have some fun watching it, enjoy. Otherwise, I hope you can have a great day. Thank you for watching, subscribing, liking and commenting. Have a great day. May the foil be with you.